So we lined all the wood up right now for the counters, and what's gonna happen?
I'm going to put dominoes into them.
Oh yeah.
Like
Right.
little biscuit things.
Right.
And then we're going to glue them and line them up together.
Okay.
And then,
Let's do it.
yep.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah.
It's insane.
So here it is. This baby is freshly undone from the clamps. This one is just glued up. We're giving it about 10-15 minutes to cure a little bit before we put the last piece on, and then we'll put clamps on and clamp all of them together.
Yeah, and while we're waiting for the glue to dry, we're watching the sunset.
Yeah, we got a sunset over here. It's beautiful. There's the truck. Show you guys when it's all done. I'm not gonna lie, the counters turned out phenomenal. They sat overnight, kind of dried out, and they typically change colors overnight with the Rubia Monocoat product. This is the bigger one. Today I'm going to cut out all the notches here. This one over here has a bunch of them. I'll show you guys how I do that.
Guys, we use Festool only. Festool only and nothing else at all, ever. Okay. Oh, and DeWalt. My bad. My bad.
And that fix.
Sometimes you gotta just drill and hope for the best. True?
I have it all marked out.
Oh, you do?
Silly.
I thought you just like went under and like kind of drilled and hoped for the best.
I'm just that good, you know? I just drill it perfect every time. Alright. Cuts like butter. Okay, I'm gonna fill you guys in on what's going on right now. So, the main countertops are done. They're in both sides. I still have to go around with steel wool and kind of pick up the little pieces that you could feel. what I just did. You guys saw the sanding. Basically, I built this part separate, the front, and then I just glued this piece in. It was easier than cutting it in. I mean, it's easier than cutting it out earlier when I was cutting the counters. So I sanded everything smooth. Now it feels like it's one piece of wood. I sanded these parts right here. And now I'm gonna pull this out. I'm going to stain it. The rest of the same stuff I used on the main counters. I also took out some saw marks on the sides that I didn't notice previously. And this is secured already, so I'm gonna take it apart, stain it, let it dry, and start cutting in the sinks, cup washer, all the goodies into the counters, the plumbing portion of it.
Thank you.